Hello guys, what's up, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Macheng. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now I'm going to talk a bit about KOKO the Beast and Jblinger. You can see it from the poster right here. We have information that this great artist or the legend in South Sudan and Ethiopia, they will be coming home to Ethiopia, or they'll be performing live, entertaining us here within Gambela or in Ethiopia. The good news is this: they are coming here. This season is a blessing to us because they will not simply perform in Addis Ababa alone. They say that they will be performing in Addis Ababa, then Gambela, then Laren, then in the end they will be in Uninyang, and also they will be going maybe to Wantoa or a Kobechergur. We do not know whether they will continue up to the part of South Sudan there, but I believe they will be touring here in Ethiopia. They will be entertaining us. So if you are somebody who is a music lover, please, this is happening very soon. So please get your shoes ready. Make sure that you have a good dress so that you can join your legends when they arrive on 10th December. Well, this is a good news, guys. You guys should be ready, and that is why I want to announce it today that these legends are coming home to entertain us. Thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to my channel, please try to smash that subscribe button and do not forget to leave a comment or like. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Bye bye.